car has a really neat story. Are you rolling? You're good? Okay, so this car belonged to a wonderful man named Walt, who's right back there. He drove this car in high school, and when he and his wife got pregnant with their first kid in 1983, he sold it, and 32 years later, he searched for the VIN number, and that same day, he found it for sale in an auction in New York City, and he bought it back that day. So it's got such a cool story, and he has a daughter that is obsessed with the car, which makes me really happy because that means that the story will live on through her, and this car is just beautiful. They spent 4 years restoring it, and I know so many folks in this parking lot have a similar story because we put our hearts and souls into these builds, and these cars that have a heart connection to us just make it that much more special. So it's really awesome. Thank you so much for being here.